Hello. So today I'm just gonna do a little short tutorial for people who wanna be able to activate Prism. So NCH software, Prism. There's also Express 7-zip that falls under this tutorial as well. So for example, if I just get in the video and I want to convert with Prism Video File Converter. So now you can see I don't require anything and I can fully use this software without no issues. I don't need to get no registration key, nothing. Very simple stuff. All you need to do, first of all, you should like and subscribe. That's what you should do first. Anyway, so you need to go to your start, press start button, write down reg, edit, click that, boom. Simple stuff, guys. Now, H key, current user. Drop down, press this arrow, go to software, and then scroll down till you find NCH software. So you got Express 7-zip, Express zip here. I'm gonna do a little test to see if it actually works on Express zip anyway. So registration. Then you just want to get rid of these 3 files, not this one, just these 3 files. Press delete, bam, delete like this, press yes. But I've already done it, so I don't want to do it again. After you press delete, you're going to be able to just use the software like as if you bought it. Yep. So now let's see if it works for Express zip. So I'm going to open Express zip now to see if it asks me. Yes, it does. You see, same thing from Prism, same exact thing. It'll ask me to do that. I'm going to go to Express zip, registration, delete this, bam, cross it, try again. And would you look here? Haha, it works for Express zip as well. Yeah, so I'm guessing it also works probably for all the NCH software. Probably for Pixelon as well. I don't even know what Pixelon is really. 7-zip is here. Pixelon. Just gonna get rid of all of these now. It's also a video pad. Don't know what this software really is. Registration. Yep. So Pixelon has an image converter. That's pretty cool. So it works for all of them, it seems. Yeah. Stick this in there. Yep, that's the one. Output. You can turn it into Maya IFF file. Crazy. ICO. Anyway, that works for that one. So I think the only annoying thing is that you got this pop up. It opens a new tab, I think. Check out video pad. Video editor. Something that's quite useful actually. Takes a bit of time to open. Oh well, that's pretty cool because I might actually need one. I don't use video pad obviously. I use a hit film, which I'm converting, rendering a video right now. So this is a fully fledged video editor actually. Yeah. Put this in here. Wow. I'm actually amazed. Pretty cool. You can text effects. Everything works, it looks like, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna exit this, discard. Yep. That's pretty much it though. So once again, go to regedit. And then go to NCH software. And if you have more than one of these NCH softwares, then you can just go through every single one. Go to registration and delete these. Well, you can see some of them are being regenerated. You just delete the files. There's 3 files here. So I'm going to show you again, once again on Prism. All 3 of the files have been generated already. So more of them have been generated. So you want to just delete these files. So some of these files don't really belong here, I think. Well, I don't know why they're there, to be honest. You just want to delete those 3 files that you see, and that's it. And you got the software. Yeah guys, anyway guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.